In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Metatrader 5 without broker. Let's start with what that actually means. You can install and open Metatrader 5 or MT5 without connecting it to any broker. The platform will launch and you can move around the interface, but keep in mind that it will have very limited functionality. Without a broker server, MT5 can't stream live prices or execute trades. That said, it can still be a great sandbox to learn the layout, explore tools, and build confidence before you trade for real. Even without a broker, you can open charts, change timeframes, and experiment with the look and feel of the platform. You can attach technical indicators like moving averages, RSI, and MACD to see how they behave on historical data. You can also run the strategy tester to backtest expert advisors using available historical price series. This is perfect for practicing chart analysis, building templates, and getting comfortable with the workflow of placing and managing hypothetical trades purely for study. Now, here's what you cannot do when MT5 is not connected to a broker. You won't be able to trade real money, open or close market or pending orders, or receive live price data. Features that depend on a real-time feed, such as signals and copy trading, will be unavailable. That's simply because MT5 needs a broker's server to send orders to the market and to stream current quotes to your charts. If you want the safest way to practice, the best option is to use a demo account. A demo account mirrors real trading conditions but uses virtual money. It shows live market prices, requires no deposit, and behaves like a standard account in most practical ways. This lets you learn order placement, test strategies, and practice risk management without financial risk. Setting up a demo is straightforward. Open MT5 and go to the File menu, then choose Open an Account. Search for a broker server from the list presented in the platform. When prompted, select the Demo Account option, choose a virtual balance that suits your practice needs, and complete the setup. MT5 will create a free practice account connected to that broker's server, so you'll get live prices and full platform functionality for training purposes. One final but important warning: be cautious of any service claiming broker-free MT5 trading. MT5 normally requires a broker server to execute trades, so such offers are often misleading or unregulated. Stick to legitimate demo accounts and use the platform's built-in tools to learn safely and effectively.